Hello, James with the 1HourSmartHome.com. Today I want to show you just how easy it is to arm your Ring security system. If you are wondering how to do this, or you've walked into your house and you've got one of these now, you don't know how to use it, very simple, okay? We'll put links to this below and you can purchase this on Amazon. I love these things. These are one of the best alarm systems out there. Basically, you've got three different modes: disarmed, home, and away. So right now we're disarmed. If I want to arm the system to home, which is what you would do at night when you're sleeping, that arms all the door and window sensors in the house, all you do, put in the code 4, 3, 2, 1, press this little guy inside of a house is the symbol, and now you are armed. And it gives you a little confirmation, which I love that confirmation on the cell phone. That just gives me peace of mind that I know the security system is working, and I think that is a great feature to have compared to other security systems. Now, let's say we're going on vacation. We want to arm the motion sensors that we've got in the house too. Very easy. All I need to do here is press 4, 3, 2, 1. The guy walking out the door, boom. Now we are armed. I get the text message confirmation. We are good to go on vacation. I've got peace of mind that my home is safe, okay? That I'm gonna get a text message if anything happens. The alarm's gonna go off, scare off the intruders, and it can call the Alarm Emergency Response Center if you're paying the $9.99 a month for monitoring. But you don't have to pay that if you don't want. You can self-monitor it. It'll text you. It'll text your family member. Whoever you've got set up on the notifications, it will do that. But we just wanted to show you how easy this was to arm and disarm for any of those of you who wanted to know how to do it to disarm it. All I got to do is put in the code 4, 3, 2, 1. You can make your own code. Press this button here at the bottom for disarmed. It is now disarmed. So disarm, home mode, away mode. Very simple. Thank you for watching 1HourSmartHome.com. Please like and subscribe this video. We want to bring you more great content in the future. And you can click any of the links below to support us. And you can find this on Amazon as well.